Hello, viewers and our fellow travelers. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of this majestic palace turned hotel. So, we are heading towards on an embarking journey to the enchanting city of Udaipur. We have landed at exquisite Hotel Lalit. It's the Lalit Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Join us as we explore every nook and cranny of this real abode. How breathtaking the view is. Right in front of us, it's the Lake Pichola. In the evening time, you will be this hotel offers you the sunset as well. It's breathtaking, I can assure you. As we step foot into Lalitadepur, we are immediately transported to a bygone era of splendor and royalty, as you can see it. You may take a leisurely stroll through the lush gardens adorned with fountains and blooming flowers, or embark on a sunset cruise on Lake Pichola. So as soon as you enter, they will offer you a welcome drink, a mala, which you may call at garland. That's the way of their welcome. The team here, the staff was very welcoming. They will greet you as like, you will feel the relaxation mood as you enter into the hotel. And so when now we are moving towards our hotel, from the elegant decor to the breathtaking views of Lake Pichola or the Aravali Hill, every aspect is designed to enchant and delight. You can see the streams, everything is just shouting, just giving you a very warm welcome with your beauty into the airport. Actually, beyond luxurious accommodation and exquisite dining, this Lalita Hotel Udaipur offers a plethora of palace experience that are beyond to leave you enchanted. That was me. And now we are heading towards the room. You can see my husband Saksham. He is already going to enter the room. The staff was there with him. I will quickly give you a review, a tour of the room. So we entered. We were given the key at around 2 p.m. Till then, we have took the in हमारा room. We booked the Deluxe Valley View King room. So surprisingly, what happened when we woke up in the morning, we can see the sunrise from our window. As I mentioned, from the garden of the hotel, you can see the sunset. But from this, you may view the sunrise as well. This is the washroom. It's quite cozy, but very comfortable. There is enough space for you. If you are two people, that is enough for you. I can ensure that. Yeah, I've been toiletry around. So again, that's me giving you a tour. Each room and suite is a heaven of luxury. I can assure again and again to you. You may book this hotel if you are going to have a vacation in Udaipur. It's quite cheap and very comforting as well. It reflects the rich heritage of Rajasthan. If you want to have the feel of that, please book. Whether you're staying in dealers or residing in one of the opulent suites, expect nothing short of a royal experience. They're having wardrobe, a big king size bed, two side tables, both the sides. These are the master switch, which you can, yeah, which you can use when you will be sleeping. You don't have to go anywhere, step down from your bed. You can just use it, or you can use it from your bed itself. This is the area which I love the most. This is the area where you can sit and relax and see the sunrise in the morning if you are staying for more than one day. But actually, we stayed for one day, but then also we can see the sunrise from there. It's so green and very relaxing to your eyes in the morning. That was the area where you can go out and sit. From our room, there was an exit which was way nearer to our room, and we can directly go to this area. This is a study table. Yeah.
ये मिनी बार है जिसमें फ्रिज है और फ्रिज में ड्रिंक्स है, पर ये चार्जेबल है। इसमें भी कुछ है, बिस्किट्स, पॉपकॉर्न, ये सारी चीज चार्जेबल है। ये हो गया मिनी बार आपका। ये हो गया टीवी जो कोई नहीं देखता होगा, ये है टेबल जो फ्री है। ये सब कुछ आपका है। और फिर
guys, do like and subscribe. We are there for you in our comments. Like and subscribe.
Going towards the lawn right now. So meanwhile, I will just tell you that this hotel not only affords you accommodation but a boost of diverse range of dining options as well. Each offering a symphony of flavors and aromas. One will be a cuisine of Rajasthan at Padmini, and the other one will offer you the savor global delicacies at Angan. So right now, please see the sunset view. It was so pleasant. The birds, the mountains, everything was so scenic around. So when we were actually not known that there will be a sunset view, so we were quite late, but somehow we managed to see this beautiful sunset, at least the last part. In between of Lake Pichola, that is the Taj to Western. See the night view. It's not night, actually the evening view around 6 p.m. And this was the view and like the mahal at the Angan restaurant. They offer you to sit outside, and there will be some kind of
Performance of the day, and you can have your dinner as well there. Enjoy the moment, listen to the music. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Thank you.